All right, quick honesty check before we dive in. If you're the kind of person who values flexibility, simplicity, and freedom without clutter, the Gotrax 20 is made for you. This bike isn't chasing extremes. It's for someone who knows their lifestyle doesn't need oversized, overbuilt gear. You want something that fits into your life cleanly, not something that demands adjustment. If that's you, check the current price and availability early, because practical, well-balanced bikes like this tend to disappear quietly. You probably knew it was time to upgrade when your old routine started feeling heavier than it should. Maybe commuting felt annoying instead of easy. Maybe loading a bike into a car or corner of your home felt like work. That moment, when you realize convenience matters more than brute power, is exactly where this bike steps in. Once you start riding it, there's a surprising sense of relief. You're no longer wrestling weight or overthinking storage. You fold it, move it, ride it, repeat. The pedal assist feels supportive instead of pushy, and that changes your confidence. You ride relaxed, not rushed. Daily errands suddenly feel lighter. Short commutes stop draining your energy. Weekend cruising becomes something you do on impulse, not something you plan around logistics. It slips into apartment, living, office life, and travel days without friction. You don't feel like you own a machine. You feel like you own a solution. If you're on the fence, don't wait for price swings or random availability gaps. Bikes in this sweet spot rarely stay consistent for long. You might think a compact folding bike means compromise. What catches you off guard is how stable and composed it feels at speed. It's calm, predictable, and confidence-building, especially if you've dealt with awkward folding bikes before. The unexpected benefit is how it changes your habits. You ride more often because it's easier to say yes. That alone makes it feel smarter than bigger, flashier options. Easy to live with daily folds without mental effort, rides feel calm and controlled, encourages spontaneous trips not built for extreme terrain, speed caps feel intentional eventually. The comparison loop fades. You realize you're done chasing more and ready for a ride. Don't let this turn into one of those purchases you delay and later wish you'd made sooner. If you want an electric bike that respects your space, your time, and your rhythm, check the Gotrax 20 now and choose the upgrade that fits your life, not just your wish list.